Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Orlando, Florida. It is an example of our halo offering, the LUXE-GT. We call it Big Sur Love. Now this is the best driving, world's safest, and most enjoyable vintage Bronco on the planet. Now, if you look at this livery, all of these stripes are underneath the clear. It's a glazurate finish. It turned out amazing, and that's not the best part. Let's go take a look inside. To start off, we're going to look at this soft closed door. Patent pending by Gateway Bronco. Open, closed. That's amazing to begin with. Now let's go take a look at the actual inside. Now, part of what makes this vehicle drive so well, it has a lowered center of gravity, easier in and out of this beautiful interior. Now check this out. You've got a leather covered roll bar with padding. You've got denim with heated and cooled seats. You've got boating flooring in the front, and you've got bird's eye maple in the back. Let's go check out this unbelievable tailgate. Introducing Big Sur Love. How can we say it's the safest vintage Bronco on the planet? It's got anti-lock brakes, a world's first. Independent suspension. It has electronic stability control, 70% stiffer chassis than anything on the market. We've tested them. This is delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.